at some more Lennox products. Heat pumps. This is an Elite. It's been running. It's got a Copeland scroll. 2002 5-ton. This one just shut off. T-Class. 2018 5-ton. It says an 18 4-ton, I believe. 2016 3-ton.